I'm on my knees and I'm begging you. Nice, that works here. Let's go, it's a Friday, it's Friday then. Saturday, Sunday, whoa, it's Friday then. Bam, 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 bam. Okay, lovely stuff. Okay. It's all running. Nice. Okay, everything is good in the chat and all that good stuff. Actually, let me move this here. Just moving my magic keys. Good morning. Good morning, everyone. Morning, Brian. Am I saying that right? Is it Brian? Brian. Morning, everyone. Right, let me just do some Instagrams and all that good stuff. Welcome back to the channel, guys. It is a Friday. Let's get some music on for a nice Friday. Let's get this music going.
This entrepreneur brand logo that was done by a top freelancer
Shut
in
up.
Fiverr is simply...
So morning, everyone. We have had a great week this week. This week has been very, very nice. So have I taken off what trades yesterday? Yep, I have. Lovely stuff. Okay. Spot on. Wow, welcome everyone. 9 people in the chat already. And Zoom's filling up as well. Great stuff. Oh, admit. Let's take these off. There we go. Righty ho. I did a little video yesterday as well, actually, so it's pretty fire. I'll keep this here. Remove all drawings. Let's start from scratch. Let's do a look here. Okay, so this is a Friday morning, guys. The first thing that we should always do, which I forgot to do yesterday at the start, was look at the news. The news will identify if there's going to be a lot of, unnecessary volume that could be a bit of a skew. Morning, Stephen. Morning, everyone. Let's just say I'm live on Instagram. We are live on Instagram. Sorry, not on Instagram. On YouTube. Make sure to join in. We're filling up already. But yeah, make sure to join, guys. Okay, and then I'll just share it a couple times over a couple Discords. Nice. 1 second here. I downloaded Warzone finally last night. It's like 94 gigs. I was like, shays. I didn't know as well. Nice. Okay. Cool, wicked. So you can see here, news. We are okay for the day. We are fine for news. Oh shit! My stream says Thursday. Yeah. Okay. I'll change that right now. And it is the 20th. There we go. That has been changed now. Welcome everyone. 15 viewers in the chat. So you can see news is fine, okay? That's a really, really positive thing. Oh, shit. Ah, I thought I was made a top wick. That is a shame. Right, daily time friends. Have a look here. We are still very, very bearish. And we actually tapped the zone we were thinking of tapping yesterday when I said, because we had clean candles to the left. And where were we going to end up? Back at this 4-hour and daily support here, which is what we did. Very, very easy. Right, let's put this here. Let's lock it into place. So the daily is bearish, the 4-hour is bearish. The 4-hour hasn't made a top wick though. It's a bit annoying, but as you can see here, we are dropping down now. Let's have a look here. So we had a support at this level here. We've broken below it on the hourly. We also had a little resistance we just created, which is on the 4-hour flip right here. Let's go down to 30-minute time frame. Yes, we had this kind of support. Now we had one here as well. So I'm going to be thinking for sells below here. Let's see, we're in this little range, which is a 28 pip range. If we can get some closes below here, that would be good. I'm hoping that we can make this top wick for the 4 hour before we do this, but we'll see, we'll see. But if you do get a close below here, then I think why not? Let's have a look at left. For zones. Ooh, this is a tough zone. So if we do get a closure below this zone here, there's wicks to here. There's quite a lot of wicks. So what I'm not liking is this here. So if I get my annotation tool here and show you guys, we've got wicks. Oh shit, we've got wicks. Let's do this here. This one. You can see we have deep wicks. So this is a really big support area. So if we go along and see our chart here, let's have a look. Yeah, so for me, preferably I want sells below 149,300. Closures below, because of the fact that we have big support on the left hand side. So I'll be waiting for this. So let's actually start marking the charts here. So sells below the zone here with volume, we should be good. Let's see here, 300. But I'm really kind of hoping that we make a top wick for this 4 hourly, or I may not enter. Sells below, because I know for a fact that I'll stay with my bias. Say this here, because the 4 hourly needs a top wick here, which is a bit annoying. I'm not liking that.
Yeah, it's major, man.
Yeah, like fuck. It's got 2 hours left. What is the probability it's gonna run down and not make a top wick? Oh, let's have a look at my IC markets. Yeah, IC markets doesn't have a top wick either, so this is not good for me, unfortunately. But let's see if it plays out. I'm assuming it probably will. But for me, my rules, my discipline, I don't want to be touching a 4 hour with no top wick for sales.
Yeah, facts.
That's just personally. Obviously, if we exceed the lows here, it's very, very reasonable to continue down. But nah, that 4 hours definitely put me off that. But that's fine. We'll see what happens. It might be able to make a top wick and whatever. For buys, let's have a look at buys here. So buys would be obviously valid above the zone. If you do get a closure, I'll kind of move this above to this resistance here. So closures above 149,672, that'll be fine, because the daily and the 4 hour will both be bullish there. And then we should come up and fill this line, this wick here. Let's see how big this zone is. So you've got closures here. Yeah, 16 pips, and then further on, that's fine. So I'll be looking for buys above here as well. So buys above 149.623. Lovely, cracking stuff. So here we go, got our zones here, easy stuff. So morning everyone who came in early today. Wow. Oh, that went the wrong way. Holy shit. So yeah, I'm gonna be patient with these sells. The top wick is there, which is a bit annoying. But anyway, this is the first chart, so let's have a look at Golden GJ. If you got any charts, feel free to send them in the chat. Tayan says breaking daily support to the left should be a good move if moves. Okay, let's have a look at the daily. Daily support is here. Yeah, I think so. Even for here, this brings red flags, okay? Because we are coming into, as you said, the daily support. If you come into the daily support, if we get a closure below this area, then we'll be continuing these sells for next week, and we should fill this week. But however, we haven't closed, have we? So we could be this. Remember, this candle did this. This candle did this. This candle did this. It could wick all the way back into the zone and then come all the way back up. It's a very, very big zone, which it could react off. So for me, I'll be happy to take sales, but I need to wait for this 4 hour to make a top wick, because that's just the rules, you know. If you've looked at my new video, so here I basically explain why I need the top wick. It's just necessary. So if you go on my channel, fortunately it didn't notify people when I posted it again, which is a bit annoying. So it didn't really get many views, even though the first time I posted it I had 60 views in the first 15 minutes. But however, 29-minute video, it literally talks exactly about all that kind of stuff. I go through it in depth, so make sure to check that out. Especially for the weekend and stuff, just get a pen and paper. Make some sense. Right, let's do some next chart. Let's look at gold here. 25 viewers on a Friday. Amazing. Wow, look at this. So let's start the daily time frame here, as we always do. Daily. Ooh, daily's reacted off that level nicely. Okay, so it has certain support here. Nice. Let's click this to a yellow line. The 4 hourly has a bullish structure as well, which is looking nice. Okay, so it looks like we're actually making support on this level, which is quite good here. Which is what I expect price to do. I wanted it to kind of retrace back up to these highs because of all the Afghan news coming out. It's not the best for countries, so it should help gold. So let's have a look at the hourly here. Okay, so it's a bit choppy in the hourly, I'm not gonna lie. Very, very choppy in the hourly, to be honest. So for me, there's only buys above this zone. 1794 buy stops could actually work there pretty nicely, to be honest. And sells would be so if you took sells here though, which would be the end of this range we are in here, it has a lot of wicks to the side. It's only it's 50 pips though, to be fair. If you close that up like there, maybe closures below there, but preferably I'd rather have the closures below here. And then we could drop back down to these zones here, so I'll mark them up. So that is a big zone to fill. So you can see we are in a big range here, but for me, buys above this zone and sells below this zone. So this will be good for buy stops as well. If we get some volume in later on, if we do come up to this level, 1795. That could be nice. That could be nice. So buys for 1795 and sells below 1771. Yes, I'll just do 1772. Nice. So there we go. Marked our zones. Very, very easy. Very, very simple. Do you day trade crypto? Nope. I just hold. I hold quite a lot of crypto in my wallets. I don't trade it because I just don't think there's much technical analysis there, is there? Like, let's have a look here. So let's have a look. I have a lot of XRP, and I got in that early. I got in that like 3 years ago. Fuck yeah. This is market cap. I don't really want market cap. $2. 1.28, bro. I got in like 0. I got in like what year is it? I got in like 2018, 2019. Yeah, bro. I'm like all the way down. I'm like all the way down here, bro. 20. So this had a spike and it came down. Yeah, it's around here. So 0.25. Not too bad. Not too bad. So yeah, it's just very volatile. I mean, they'll try and like draw a chart and shit, but like, look at it, like, oof. It still kind of works the same way, to be honest. But look at these candles, these 30-minute candles. Oof. I just think it's too new to get like a good grasp of it yet. And with like news at the moment with crypto, it's just very volatile for that reason. 27 viewers in the chat, guys. Welcome. If you guys are new here, make sure to subscribe. I got a nice brew to start off the day. Also got a fuck me, I put way too much sugar in that, holy shit. I also have a another YouTube video coming out on Sunday, and this is just for people who how basically it's just a video of how I do this. The support and resistance, just giving you how I go from 4 hour to daily. That's how I done the video. It's only like 6 minutes long. Wanted to be quick and get a shorter video, but yeah. So if people are new to the stream here for today, We're not really liking the sells because the 4 hour doesn't have a top wick and it still has 2 hours and 15 minutes left. So in that case, you know, I'm not really going to be looking for sells until we make a top wick, unfortunately. And also this is the 4 hour support. We haven't closed below, so you know, it's worrying. And also we talked about the daily time frame. We are coming to a certain support here. How many rejections there and there and there. So this is a very, very key area. Yo, welcome everyone. Coming right now. Sheesh, the squad. 8-9 likes in the stream. Make sure you get a like of the stream, guys. We caught some lovely gold sells yesterday. Tried once, got hit out at minus 3 pips, and then tried again and hit 12. So it was great. So yeah, we're just waiting for some sells below here. But for me, the 4 hour isn't there for me. I'm sorry, I can't do it. You know, even though it looks nice, and I know a lot of people may take it, because you know there's still some. It's not. It's just my discipline. Like if I lost this trade or won this trade, it'd be, you know, pissing me off. Oh wow, we got a new subscriber here. Whose name is it? DJ Surge. Just subscribed. Welcome. So yeah, but some people who are interested in this, wait for a closure below. I'd say this wick hasn't still closed below this support either. I just wait. Got 30 minutes left for this hourly as well. Maybe give you more confidence, but it depends. Yeah, but for continued sells, if we do actually break this zone that I have created here, oh, it's clean candles again, bro. So if you look here. It did come down and made a little support here, so this will be the first target for sells. And then if it does start continuing down, you could fill up this wick here. So if we go along, see how big these zones are. 26 pips and 80 pips. Wow. Okay. I wonder why it's dumping so bad at the moment. Yes, sir. Thanks, bro. Lit. Welcome. Look at this. So price is starting to push down out here. Sell stops could be good on this zone right here. Thing is, where would your stops be? So 10 pips to continue down. We haven't closed below this support though, but let's have a look at the 30 minute. Oof, nice. But 30 minute is not a top wick either, so for me there's no trade. But people ain't getting in this when we exceed the lows here. Oh, already in some profits here. Morning, Max. What's the main reason you're not interested in taking sells? Because the 4 hours is now a top wick. Yeah. And for me, you know, if I took this trade, it'll be against my discipline rules, etc., etc. And basically, sometimes where there isn't a top wick, I'll still take it because I know I've took it this time, so why wouldn't I take it that time? And I know I'll get slapped in the long run, so there's no point. Even though this is a clear option and stuff like that, for me, no. So if you guys got into these sells below here. Running about 8 pips, so if I was you guys, I'd have your stop loss at break even at this point. Yeah, lovely stuff. 11 likes in the chat, amazing. Morning, everyone. Hope you're having a good week. How has the week been? What percentage have you guys been getting? I did a class GJ trade actually really late on yesterday. Where was it? It literally took me like 15 seconds. The fuck was it? Here. I was like, bro, I'm just going to trade this range. This candle closed bearish. Next one, made this little wick up, and this started exceeding. I got like 15 pips in the space of like 10 seconds. This candle moved quick.
That was a clean move.
Yeah, I got that. And then I was like, I just looked here. I was like, oh, bro, fuck it. I could do it. And like, I'm pretty sure this stop was... oh, no. What? Wait. It wasn't that. Here. There we go. It was the 15 minute. Fucking 16 pip. It was not a 16 pip stop. Let me see where it was. 3:30. No, I swear it was. Maybe it's here. Oh, fuck, I think it was. Yeah.
You say you caught this during Asian last night?
No. This is near London close. I just looked at the charts and I saw this closing. So basically, price did this, closed above, then came back in the range. So what's it gonna do? It's gonna fill the range back up. And I got a really good reward. So I got a 6 pip stop for a fucking it was like 30 pips I gained.
Clean.
So clean. Yeah, that was pretty fire. DJ Surge says, yeah, follow the plan, didn't follow mine this morning, and the chart humbled me. Facts.
Mm.
That's exactly, man. Keep with your plan, bro. It's so hard to do because you're so tempted, but like, oh, just the discipline is key. And what I actually struggled with this was when I was at uni and stuff like that. The discipline, like, for me, sometimes wasn't there because in other aspects of life, the discipline wasn't there as well. So, for example, I'd like fucking, I would do like I wouldn't do my work or I wouldn't go to the gym and I wouldn't do this just because I just couldn't be asked. So my discipline levels weren't there in other aspects of life. So I try to make them a bit more because if you're not gonna like go to the gym in the day because you're like, oh, I just can't be asked and there's no discipline. How do you have discipline not to take a trade when you shouldn't? Like, it's the same kind of thing. Yo, 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 morning everyone. 40 views already. Make sure you like the stream, guys. If you're looking for sells below here, I think a lot of people will be taking these sells. For me, there's no 4-hour top wick, but we'll see. If you get this closure here, I may be a bit happier. Check out my running trade. Amazing. Send me a link either on Instagram or on here. Wow, 12 likes in the stream already. We've been out for like 10 minutes. Amazing stuff. 37 viewers. Let's have a look at gold then. Is gold ooh, gold's starting to come up. But buys above 17.95, I will be in these buys for sure. So you can see we have a little bit of a resistance at this zone here. But if we do start coming above, we should be coming up. Nice. It's quite a big zone actually. So looking at this 30-minute, we had some nice closures here. With a bit of volume, it should be good. At these tops here. But yeah, for me, I'm going to be looking for buys above this zone, basically to get rid of all this traffic here. Because if we do pass this zone, we're going to be pushing up. Even buy stops here, I know a lot of people do buy stops just at the highs, because if it does break, it's going to break it pretty hard. With like a 20 pip stop or something. And if we do break above here, we're going to be coming, and let's just draw the zone for where we'll be coming back up to. It'll be here. The reason why I picked this place is because before, when we did this right here, we pushed all the way and we started having resistance here, and then resistance, support, support again, and then resistance breaking below it. So you can see that is where the TP will be, and also you can see we'll be coming back into this range. So if I move this all the way around, this makes sense because before it was a resistance here, it comes back up, makes it as a support, and now it's acting as a resistance again. So this is the next zone, and I'm going to do a video on that soon actually, about how do you identify your zones. So like this zone here is one zone, this is the next zone, which is a bloody gorgeous zone. And basically how to wait until you get a zone break and then you get some nice trade. Rajpreet, have you sent me on Instagram? Dude. But yeah guys, if you're new to the channel here, make sure to subscribe. We do this every single day. But yeah, waiting 6 minutes for this candle to close. Whoever looked at my YouTube video, did you guys enjoy it? I got a lot of feedback on it. Oh, there's your link. Jeez. Okay. Alright, let's try this chart. Let's see how it is. Do you do it Saturday and Sunday as well? No. There's, Saturday and Sunday, there's no market open. Apart from crypto, but I ain't fucking doing that. To be fair, I could do that. There's a lot of people that would watch that because they're all just fucking crypto. Okay, happy to be here, friend. Welcome. Recommended this stream. Amazing. Thank you very much. Okay, guys. So let's talk about this chart here. We have a 4-hour time frame. We had a support. Let me just change this line here. We had a resistance, which you seem to have broken above right here. Now bullish, waiting for support to form again, which is on this line here, and now it's getting a close above the next candles, and we should be continuing. That's actually a really good setup. Well done. I like that setup. So you're using 4-hour confluence, you're waiting for support to form, you're exceeding the highs here. So at this point, what are you going to be doing if you're in this trade? you can see, I can see from this candle, no, it's very, very small. I can see from this chart though that this 4-hour candle's lower wick is below your entry. So I would specifically put this stop loss to break even, because in 2 hours time, would you want this candle to flip at any point? Would you? I wouldn't. So I would put your stop loss to break even at this point, where you're going to be taking profits as well. Whoever sent this, Rajpreet, tell me how you'd take profits here. Let's have a look. Yo. Do you do it Saturday? No. I'm happy to be here. Max, what crypto platform do you use? So I used Binance, and then I used loads, to be honest. Binance, Coinbase, and then I used the Trust wallets on my phone. How can we send your chart work? Either on Instagram, I'll have a look on Instagram, or just here. So what you do is you go to, I might do a video about this as well. But you go to your chart, whatever you want to show me. Let's just get rid of all this shit. Then you press the camera button here. Say copy chart image. Oh no, sorry. 1 second. It's copy chart link. Okay. So it's copied it for you. Control V is that, and then just get rid of the .com bit, and then just give me this like that. Okay. There we go, guys. No closes below, so therefore there is no trade, and you can see here we are reacting off it. Waiting a little more pips, then I can move my stop loss to entry. Okay. Fair enough. Wow, look at this retracement. Damn. So this is why, you know, identifying these zones here is very, very key. Okay, can you see? You know, people be like, oh, sells, and now it's just wicked you out. And it's like, yeah, because you didn't get a close below, first of all, and second of all, this is a very, very key area. So sometimes just watching how price moves is a lot better than taking a trade. And also, as I said, the 4-hour does not have a top wick, so for me there is no trade. Is there any news today? Later on, let's have a look. So people who are new here don't know about news. News is basically causes kind of big volatility spikes, and unless you're playing a bit of fun, if like, I don't know, CPI or some kind of stuff like that, you kind of try and stay away from it. Or if you're in a trade and news comes out, put your stop loss to break even. Okay. So, oh, retail sales happened. Ooh, fuck. Minus 2.5%. Okay. Let's have a look at this happen then. Let's look. So 7 a.m. 7 a.m. pushed all the way down and then fell down. Yeah, that's not good news. That's not good news at all. Minus 2.5% from the actual, and we're coming out of lockdown and shit. Ooh, not good at all. So this will be actually probably sending it bearish all day, to be honest. That's not good news. Like, you don't want it to be bearish. And wait, what percentage was it? Sorry, 2.5%, man. Fuck. The last one was just a bit higher. Now we're back at minus 2.5. So if you look at the graph here, we had a dip in May. Dip. So it's not looking too good, to be honest. Damn. I've been thinking the high street's gonna be fucked, but anyway. So bad news for GJ. But yeah, this 4-hour needs to close, and this 15-minute as well needs to close. So it's going to close in 1 minute 45 seconds time. If it doesn't close below this zone right here, we know we are respecting this support, and we should be filling up this range. Buys above this zone will be nice, but also take into the fact that daily and the 4 at the moment are very bearish. And look to the left hand side, we are a clear zone for the daily, a clear support. So just be wary of GJ. Have I looked at GU? Because I know a lot of you guys like GU. Gold is coming up nicely. We do have a resistance at this zone right here, and have it one right here as well. If you do get breaks above this zone right here, so let's just zoom in for you guys to see. Oh, I've got this on my silky smooth monitor. It's so nice. So if you do get a close above here, okay, and then price starts to push and fill this wick, that's 20 pips itself, to be fair. So if you do get closes above here, I may actually be entitled to look for some buys as well. Let's have a look. 4-hour. Nah. Preferably for the dailies to exceed 17.95 would be nice for me. Bro, can you send your chart link here? I want to watch it. My chart link? Wait, what do you mean? Chart link. Waiting that more pips in. What do you mean, like chart link? Like just for my charts? You can see my charts though here. You can see them here. They're right here, my boy. Welcome everyone, 44 viewers. Wow, Friday's big. Hell yeah. Make sure to like the stream, guys, if you haven't already. Really helps out the stream to gain traction to new people and all that good stuff. But I'm here every day for London session, so make sure to tune in. So what we do as normal, guys, we start on the daily time frame here. We do our horizontal lines to show the higher time frame. So you can see here the daily flip is bearish, so we are bearish at the moment. The 4 hour is also bearish at this point right here. Okay, let's look at the 30-minute time frame. We are breaking these lows just like GJ is. That's fine. So we had a little support right here, and this 30 minutes actually closed below. Okay, this is looking very, very promising. The 50-minute closed a bit doji, which is rather annoying, but we still got the close below. So if price does start to fall here, where are we going to end up? Let's look left. Ooh, so left is a bit choppy, but if we do have some volume with the London Open, we should come back down to these lows, which is acting as support of this zone. And if we do start exceeding this as well, we'll be coming back down and filling this zone here. But take into the fact that we are in this zone here, it's a bit tricky. Let's take a look at GJ here. Okay, we closed just below support. That's not too bad. The 50-minute closed as well. Okay. This actually could be alright. How to enter though, this is the issue. You could enter here with stop loss above. Let's just see how it could work. And let's have a look at the daily time frame as well. Not the daily, the 30 minutes. So 50 minutes closed just below, or is it just below? It's just below support, which is not too bad. The hourly's closed nicely though. So, but pay into the fact that the hourly needs to kind of make a top wick. Let's have a look at this 30-minute and 5-minute. Oof, this could be nice. If we exceed these lows right here, stop loss could be nice. So above this zone. Ooh, 15 pips is a bit a lot, to be honest. I'm not gonna lie. So if we get in, the only issue, guys, I'm having with this is because if we look left here, we have these wicks which I kind of want to exceed and close above, close below. So if you look here, major zones. So if you've seen, we have tapped these zones before. Oh, get rid of that. So closures below this support would be better for me, to be honest. So I'm going to be leaving this trade, just for the fact I want to wait for a bit more confirmation that the 50-minute and the 30-minute can close below this bar we've got right here. And if we go along, oh my god, we haven't closed below it. Can you see? We really haven't closed below it. So, you know, this is when using your zones, looking left, need to be careful with these trades here. And you can see this wick up. It wasn't enough for me to get into a trade there. Yep, and the GU starting to flip. So this is a big support here, guys. And we also are very low in the market. And yesterday we did run a lot. We ran fucking loads. I still think sells are valid, but as I said before, the reason why I'm not very interested is because of this. The 4 hour has no top wick. This is a massive time frame. We still have 2 hours left. So for me, sells are very scarce at the moment, and I would not be really taking any. But I was trying to look for some things for people who are happily to leave that 4 hour chart, but yeah, it's closed right on support, so for me there is no trade. Make sure to like the stream, guys. Let's get it to 50 likes today. That would be sick, man. So let's have a look at this chart. This is yesterday's trade that hit TP as well. Wow, amazing. So look at the 5-minute here. Oof. Looking good. Right, so let's look at let's look at this chart here, guys. Oh shit! I keep on pressing the F1 for button. Okay, so this is CAD Japanese. It's the daily time frame. Oh shit! This is the trade I think you sent me. So you sent me it above here, like here. Nice. So this is the head and shoulders, and it played out wonderfully then. So you can see we had a head and shoulders pattern, resistance here, resistance here. We were forming a resistance when price broke below, closed below these little support areas, broke your trend line, you were in, with quite a tight stop loss as well, and it ran like 70 pips. Damn! And if this candle closes in the daily for runners, you're gonna be flying, and you'll be coming back down to these zones down here. So that was an amazing trade, that. So how have you taken off profit? Did you take it here? Your take profit, all of it, or how did it work? How did it work? So with these charts, guys, when you send me these charts, try and do some text on them. So like here, just go, I took sales, blah, 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 like, you know what I mean? Like took you know, like 80% off at blah, 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 you know what I mean? Like this, try and make it a bit more advanced, so I know exactly how you got in, how you've got out. Amazing, guys. So yeah, if you guys want to send me charts, if you're new to the stream, make sure to do so. It's the perfect time to do it when my stream's quite small, because when it gets big, oh, it's going to be hard to look at everyone's charts. So but that is a great trade. Well done, well done. You can see we're struggling right here to break below the support. Antonio, you looked at any trades yet?
Yeah, I'm looking at GJ. FAR no top wick is kind of holding me back a little bit, but I'm open to closures below 149.350. Like, if we can get that, I think we could potentially continue down. Even though the 4-hour has no top wick, like, I'd still be willing to potentially take positions. Yeah,
that's fair.
I just need closures.
Yeah, this closure here, this 30-minute didn't close further down. So what I wanted, guys, I would have been more entitled if this candle here closed more like this, like that. Then wait for its top wick up, and we start exceeding here. That would have been the trade for me. Okay, but because this hasn't happened yet, I'm gonna have to wait for a couple more candles to close and give me some kind of notification. Amazing. So where are you from, bro? I like your accent. I'm from England, Newcastle. How's your week of trading been, bro? It's been actually amazing. I've took one trade, which is yesterday, one losing trade, which was yesterday, which was -3 pips, and the rest have been beautiful. So yeah, pretty fucking good, to be honest. How about you?
Week.
Yeah, it's been nice. It's been nice.
Yeah.
And to be honest, I've been taking most of my trades in London. NY's been, it's been alright, but like, I don't know.
It's been okay.
London's been quite good recently, but I also know it changes. But it's because I'm from the UK and I've got a really good time zone. I can trade both. So if London's shit one month, I can just fucking ditch it. Well, obviously I wouldn't ditch it. I'd still do the live stream, but like I wouldn't take as many trades because I know it's ass.
Yeah.
Because there will be, guys. So if you're new to like trading and stuff, there will be months where one time zone or one like open is just garbage, and then you need to be able to identify that, because if you keep on trying to take these moves and you know it's been shit this whole week, you're just gonna lose a lot of your money for no reason when you could just lose the week.
Bro.
Yeah,
Facts.
I used to do that a lot, man. I'd be like stuck and I'd be like, why is this not fucking working? You keep trying, and then you're like down like 20%. You're like, what the fuck, like. Like, holy shit, if I just literally left this week, I'd be so much better. And then the week, like when I was really younger and like fucking blew accounts and shit, like I'd be like so pissed off, and I'd be like blowing these accounts, and then the week after, when I've literally like lost all my money, it would be fucking clean. I'd be like, you're pissing me off, like it's annoying as hell. This hourly closing below this hourly support is also a very good indication for sales here, but for me, I kind of want this next candle in 6 minutes time to close. So if you guys are new to this stream, make sure to subscribe to the channel. 1,000 subscribers and I'm giving away magic keys, so make sure to do that. That'll be pretty cool. Can you guys hear the music, or is it quite, I think it's quite low. Yeah, let me turn this bitch up. And oh, that's what I'm gonna do. I also want to go and get some copyrights for some songs. I really need to research that. How to buy copyrights to a song. Like I just want some like hype music in the morning. Like that'll be fire. Oh shit.
Yeah, facts. I used to listen to lo-fi. I can't listen to it no more.
Yeah,
like, to sleep.
yeah, I know what you mean. Just the only copyright one, and then like I think like some fucking hype music's just a bit too much.
I got some Pop Smoke playing on Spotify. Right
Yeah, like fuck. I want some Pop. I want some Lil Uzi. I want some like Young Thug on that shit. It's just some hype music. I played it at the start and I got fucking copyright. I got like so annoyed. Oh,
you just pushing. Let's see.
There we go. There we go.
Get that 4-hour top week.
Yeah, if we get this 4-hour topic here, guys,
it's gonna be heaven.
I'm actually gonna record just for this YouTube video. I think that's interesting. Not YouTube video, Instagram post. So the reason why I'm not in cells here, guys, is because the 4-hour has not made a top wick, and for me, I need a top wick to be in cells. Really. You can see we are reacting off support here. We can look left and there is big traffic here. So this is why I've kind of stayed out. I would rather have a secure, really big bearish 15-minute candle to close below the support to even look at sells. So yeah. But yeah, buys above this zone here as well when we start flipping dailies and coming back. If we do flip here, we're going to be filling this zone, which is like 24 pips, which is fine for me. Okay, one more TP trade. Can we buy if 15-minute high break? Well, let's take a look here. So you could have taken a buy here, but the issue is that the daily's bearish, the 4 hours bearish, the hourly is bullish, the 30-minute is bullish, but only very weakly. So you'll be going against higher time frames, and doing that can really screw you up. I'm not gonna lie. Do you know what I realized? Wicks don't like strategy is really simple. All you need is a mental psychology plan and execute. Yes, sir. That's all it is. It's just his strategy is very, very simple, but that's all it needs to be.
Facts.
Stop making it fucking hard, bro.
Yeah, you don't need all this mess on your charts. You know what I mean? Like,
yeah,
it's just straight simple. Like,
exactly. I mean, I literally learned from watching Raja's stream. I didn't buy for shit. I didn't pay for anything,
Facts.
bro. And I'm doing pretty good.
Facts. I have now bought a course.
Yeah. Fuck that. I mean, people who do it, fair enough.
Every free stream you could think of.
Yeah, like
mostly Rajas and shout out to Controller FX.
Controller FX.
That's the guy.
Fire, yeah.
That's the guy.
He's a good guy, man. He's really
man,
fire.
He's good people.
And he's like he's so professional. Like I remember like, he can get with beef with people, and bro, he just like said no. I'm just gonna be nice to everyone. Like
I don't got social media.
Yeah, like bro, he was really good with shit like that. I try to get better than that now.
I respect them. That's like one of the traders, because there's so much traders like beef going on right now.
Yeah,
bro. I feel like it's every week.
I know.
It's just, yeah.
I had a little taste of that last year, but now I stay well away from
I remember.
that.
I remember.
So let's have a look at this Euro Aussie dollar here. So same kind of thing here. So obviously you've got your trend lines, you've got your stuff, but actually if you actually look at this, shout out Uncle Ted, bro. Me and Uncle Ted talk all the time. I was talking to him yesterday. I just talked to him we just talk about random shit. It's funny though, because like I don't know when he started I think I messaged him and he finally replied to me, and I was like, oh yes. I was like, oh, this is like a once in a lifetime. And then he just seems to like talk to me all the time. Like fuck yeah. So you know, obviously you've got a lot of stuff on this chart, but all you've really done here is wait for higher resistance to close above, which is kind of this zone, and then take a buy, which is exactly what you should do. All this shit don't really need, bro. All you could really have here is these two bars here, that one and that one. You don't need this. You can already see it's in an uptrend. Where is it pointing? It's not pointing fucking down, is it? So like, you know, when you're coming up here, you don't I mean, obviously if it gives you confidence and all that kind of stuff, great, but for me, just keep your chart simple. Just makes it a lot easier. Wow, look at that. So this is what I said, you know, sometimes obviously people who were on the stream yesterday and were trying to get these sells, and they probably did get these sells, like, Max, why are you not getting these? Like, bro. I was like, oh, I just need to wait for this candle to close, no top wick and stuff. And it's just really disappointing because today people will be balls deep in these cells, and look at these cells now, bro. You'd be fucking smack. You know what I mean? So like, you need to be careful. This is why, like, some days, yeah, you're gonna make 100 pips, but you know, long term. So experienced FOMO yesterday. It was really weird. Like someone possessed me, bro. FOMO bad, bro. FOMO is hard. You have to get used to it. I really don't feel it anymore. I just don't
Facts,
care,
bro.
I just don't care.
If it plays out, it plays out. Like,
yeah.
I guess I missed it. Just this, because I know there's always gonna be a next move. Like, there's no reason to like force it.
Yeah, exactly. I'm happy when I've like taught or not taught, but like some people have been on my streams and they actually caught it and they're like, yeah, I caught it and I feel good. I was like, oh, that's pretty fucking fire, to be fair.
Yeah. I'll just be happy I was at least right.
Yeah.
In direction.
Personally, still trying to get over FOMO. Yeah, I think it's a really, really hard thing. Just doing it is just discipline, though. Like, just, you know, there's always moves in the market. You know, you can't be on all of them. So just, you know, take a chill pill. Just chill.
Facts.
So look at this, man. This is looking good. So what I see here is obviously the hourly now is pushed up. And for me, this is making a good enough top wick for me. So let's just get my tool out here. So, you know, this has 44 minutes left. This is a lot of time. If this candle has made its top wick here, obviously it's quite a big top wick. But if it just starts flipping here, that's going to be looking pretty nice. But we'll have to see. How far is it to flip in the 4 hour? The 4 hours there. Yeah, it's pretty far. Are you making a living trading or just or have a job too? I have no job at the moment, so yeah, it's doing pretty well to keep my bank afloat. But basically what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be going for finance jobs as well, because I want to have some resume stuff also. But obviously this is the long-term goal. But basically, because I work in the UK and stuff, I can do this live stream from like, I might be start a bit earlier, so maybe like 7 a.m. till maybe like 8:15 or 8:30, and then I can go to work, do a full day's work, and then I still have the live streams. So that'll be pretty fire. And then what will happen as time goes on is the job that I'm paying, which will be a good job, because you know I did massive finance. I'm pretty good. I should get a nice job in wherever, London or whatever. But as time goes on, and you know the trading money in this gets, you know, I'd say I'd probably leave a job which is paying me like what, 30-40 grand a year if maybe my trading was making me double or 2.5 times that. But that's fine. I could wait, you know, three years for that. That's not bothered at all. I'm happy to do that. So yeah, it's just loads of different options. But at the moment, I'm just chilling on the YouTube. I'm actually so enjoying these YouTubes, man. They're so fun. Like it's just easy, bro. It's just fucking nice.
That's smart thinking, bro. Like for real, in terms of your plan.
Yeah,
you know?
like just
a lot
planning.
of people try to rush, like become successful in trading. Like yo. You know, and a lot of them are young. They're like 20, you know, 21. It's like, there's no rush, bro. Like, you know, look at all these guys making, like, a lot of these guys, you're not going to reach Q-Bank's level, like, you know, within a year. Like, you know what I mean? Like, take your time, like, run the course, you know, like, experience everything you need to experience, and, yeah. Exactly.
I think a lot, well, like, Raja did that. Raja had a job. Really good paying job, and then after when it was like double his money and shit, he's like, fuck it.
Yeah.
I was a chef back in the UK for 2 years in 2006 and 2007, earning 2.5k per month. Used that money to start my first business back in South Africa at the age of 22. Wow, that's amazing. Fucking hell, 2.5 grand a month. That's not too bad for that. What kind of chef were you? Fuck me. How many hours do you do? Mate, chefs. I applaud chefs, bro. Holy fuck. I've worked in the hospitality industry since I was like fucking 14, 15. Holy mother of God. Like, they're sweating their cocks off all day. They don't get any time off, and they get paid fucking shelling. Like, they get paid absolutely nothing. Like, bro, no wonder they all fucking do drugs, bro. Like, they're literally getting paid. Not like, I said, if I open up my own restaurant, the one thing I'll do is, because like chefs, like, unless you're like a Michelin star chef and you get paid fucking bank, they're getting paid absolute dog shit. What I'd do if I had like my own like pizza restaurant and shit, I would just say, right, I'll give you, you know, bog standard chef thing that you want in, and then you'll get a percentage of the sales. So that means he has an incentive to fucking work and like produce good fucking shit. I'll give him like 10% of the profit, like, you know what I mean, like an incentive for the chefs to like do shit, and it'll just be so much better. Like, a chef doesn't want to fucking work there and get like, if they are an incentive, like, holy shit, I'm gonna like double my fucking packet this month if I like sell this money and I have good customer service and shit. Like, your business is gonna do fucking fire. Like, I just don't get why people don't do that as much. Because greedy fucking
16
owners,
hours
bro.
a day.
16 hours a day. Fuck, bro. Like fuck, like that. That's dedication. We're from the Royal Society of Arts premises, which is the fake den turned down streak they use for media. Ah, that's interesting. Oh fuck, we're flipping the 30-minute. Okay. Stop loss. We've exceeded the high though, unfortunately. Is this 50 minutes?
Personally, I think I'm gonna wait for closures.
Yeah, definitely. Wait for this in 10 minutes time to close. Wow, 16 hours. Someone sent me a chart. Oh, it's DUHW Gaming. You subscribed to me actually a couple of days ago, I think. That's great. If you guys haven't subscribed already, make sure to do so. And also like the stream, please, if you can. Get some more traction on the YouTube algorithm and more people can come and say hi. So make sure to like that. Let's try and get like 40 likes today. I think I got 40 likes yesterday. Let me know if you did if I did too much on the chart. Okay, too much. I will. So let's have a look at this chart here. So, okay, this is GN. Okay, so GN, that's a good pair to choose because NZD will be closed right now. This is the 30-minute time frame. Okay. So, rejecting filter 4-hour wick, not touching the trading in this area, very low volume. Looking for closures below the 4-hour retest and enter towards 1.990. Okay, 1.990 here. TP1 is here, entry is here. Yeah, so the only thing for me that I don't like for this, and so I like your stop loss. You know your TP. So this is a good TP. I like that. The issue is this whole zone. So if you can see here, this zone here, that's traffic, bro. So taking sell at this point, like here, you could be caught out on this line. You could be caught out on this line. You could be caught out on this line. Like, you know what I mean? There's a lot of wicks and stuff like that. You can see price even at this point over here, wicked all the way down and came all the way back up. So for me personally, what I would do is wait for closures below this region here. If you get a closure below here, this trading zone right here is going to be a lot quicker and a lot smoother for you. So that's what you should do. You should analyze where the range is, and a break of the range, even though you're not going to be in a trade for a while, this is too choppy. There's too much traffic to the left. Whereas if you wait until candles close below this zone right here, this clean candles, because we have clean candles to the left right there, is going to be so much nicer for you and more profitable and better probability you're going to win it. So this is a really good example of how to identify the zones here and wait for entries below these, because here it's too choppy. So I hope that made sense, bro. Hope that made sense. 27 likes in the stream. Sheesh, 40 concurrent viewers. We're doing fire today. Holy shit. Okay. We're coming down now. GJ is coming down.
You see the 15-minute celery play?
Yeah, bro. Oh, fuck. Nah.
21 pip stops.
Yeah, fuck that. Hell no.
Let me ask you that. So, like, do you, so I see that you like keeping a tight stop.
Yeah, bro.
So do you base your stops based on like do you have a certain number?
Yeah. It won't be any higher than 10 pips.
Oh, really?
Yeah. So if I wanted to get in this trade here, right, my stop would be here. I wouldn't do any higher. I just don't want anything higher. So for me, I wouldn't even enter this trade really. If it kind of wicks up and it's about 7 pips, I may just put it to like 10 pips just to give it a bit more room. But it's normally it's normally about 7 pips, 6 pips my stop. Just gives me more risk to reward, and also I just don't want anything higher than 10 pips. It's just a big loss to take. There's no point when if I can time it perfectly, I can get a really nice stop. So yeah, like a 15 pip stop, bro, for like a 10 pip gain, or like no, and like you'll always close a bit at 10 pips. So nah.
Yeah, I feel you.
And gold's probably about 20 pips, 25.
So
yeah.
I was gonna ask, like, so what do you think about the the trade we took yesterday? See how I had my stops up to 27 pips when I actually entered for half risk, half my number, because I use a straight lot like risk. Yeah. So what did you think about that?
I thought trade to play out. I thought the zone was just too big. It was sorry, I thought the stop was just too big personally for me. 27 pips, no matter what like lot size, is just too big because you should. So were you aiming for 27 pips as well?
Yeah, down the range.
Yeah.
So, but like me, regardless, I usually close everything at 11 pips. So it doesn't really matter to me. I'll just do that as a like. I'll take it as a like a half win basically, because it'll be half of what I would make on.
Yeah. That's true.
You know what I mean on GJ.
Yeah.
So I know that's like the average with gold, and if that's the case, it's gonna fuck it. So I just I'll take the trade and I'll take the profits.
Yeah, it's true. I think preferably for me, I've just seen those trades that I want to be in. When they make the top wick and start exceeding, I shouldn't have a stop anything higher than that because the trade's invalid for me. And you can see, look, me and you both got in the same trade. I lost 4 pips. How many pips did you lose?
I think I lost like 7.
Yeah, so
like
it's not too
7,
bad.
8, something like that.
Yeah, exactly. It's just not too bad. So guys, if people are looking here, this is the celery play
play 15
on a 15-minute, but your stops are going to be quite aggressive. I would, if you're looking for sells here, stops in this zone, so 10 pips away would work to be honest. But for me, I'm waiting for a closure. But we should start to continue down here, exceeding the low of the previous wicks. Let's look at the 30-minute. Yeah, so 4 minutes time. Yeah, it might push through, and this will be a nice zone to fill here. 20 pips. But preferably for me, I am waiting for the 30-minute to close here, and I'm waiting for this to happen.
I feel like the celery play might just push through.
Yeah, if it does, that's fine. That's completely fine. I'm happy with that.
Thanks.
For people to get that trade, I hope people have got that. Please explain the celery play. So it's something what Control Effects came up with. It's basically when, let me do an example, but there's one literally there. But yeah, I'll just point this one out. It's when a candle, closes in the opposite direction of the momentum. So here we had a bullish closure, even though everything else is bearish. And then when we start exceeding the lows, breaking the lows here, and then continuing with the bearish structure, which also flips the 30, that's like a celery play. So it's when it exceeds the low, and you're getting into a trade with stop loss above the current candle, and there you go. But obviously for here, the stop loss is fucking huge, so hell no. And I'm just waiting for this candle to close. Have we actually exceeded the low yet? Yeah, we have. It's not too bad. But I want some more. I want a top wick. I want a top wick for me, because I know this is a very, very delicate area, as I've said before. I don't want to be taking trades when could be risking it. Is everything alright with the music, guys? Can you hear it? Is it not too loud? Wow, 39 viewers, 29 likes in the chat. Amazing stuff. If you haven't liked the stream already, make sure you give it a like. My demo account is frozen. I just hit 10 pips on my MT5. Oh, bless. How long have you been full-time trading? Since finished uni, so like 3 months or something. 3 months. Of course, we've subbed, bro. Who doesn't love free value, man? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Music is good on YouTube. Nice. We all like a bit of free value, yeah? Oh, this is pushing now nicely. So if you got in here, yeah, you'd be up like 6 pips. Not too bad. If you got in on this closure here, I'd be having stops to break even at this point. Because you don't want this candle right now to wick back up into this. So having a stop loss at break even right here should be fine. For me, I'm waiting for this closure. Let me just look left. I want to see the support that I drew here. Oh my god. The fuck is this? Oh, it's because I'm on the 5 minute, that's why. When it came down, yeah, I had a little support here that I made. Yeah, that's fine. I think there's still some good enough options right here. Okay. So obviously stops are going to be way too big for anything. So the only way I can get in here is making a top wick. But even so, that'll be about 10 pips a here. Candle. Yeah, it'll be the current candle because this is too big. Yes, sir. And then come back down to here. Music is high. Okay, no, turn it down a bit. I can see on OBS if it's too high or not. Yeah, that should be alright. So yeah, I'm really waiting for this candle to close here in 34 seconds time. The hourly is bearish, the 4 hour is bearish, the 30-minute is bearish. Nice. Damn, so let's have a look at this daily now. Oh, fill in this daily wick. I'm just going to put a little line here just so we get to this zone. I know to at least have ourselves a break unit at that point, because we'll be hitting a wick. There's also wicks there as well, so okay, this is fine.
I think I'm gonna look for a decent top wick on the next candle.
Yeah, same.
10 pip top wick.
Yeah. If this runs down straight away, that's fine. But for me,
yeah, that's fine.
Top wick. It looks like it's still gonna continue here, but for me, yeah, top wick, nice top wick. We've got a solid close below the support now, which is nice. Would you say the daily wick is a demand zone on GJ? The daily wick. Demand zone, yeah, you could cause that as a demand. I mean, obviously people are happy to buy it, so yeah, it's a good price to be in. So yeah, exactly. But you know, candles are all pretty bearish. It's all good, really. So I'm focusing on the 30-minute time frame at this point. You can see this candle had a big wick, so I suggest that this candle will make a big wick also. But if this starts running now, I mean, you could have sell stops below here to catch the move. But I want this top wick to be a bit more like here. Yeah, okay, all the time frames are looking good though. If you exceed the lows here, still this could be reasonable, you know, but I think it stops would be up here. Oof. Trying to think about getting come on, yes, push up a bit more, come on, exceed the high, you little twat.
Yeah.
Give me a better
I personally
stop.
don't like 30 pip stops on GJ. If it was gold, yeah, but I don't think I go past like 20-25 on GJ.
Yeah. Here we go. Okay, guys, so I'm going to actually place a sell stop right here. Let me just do this now. So 86, so here stop loss is going to be above the current, which I'm going to be just making as it goes on, and I'll be doing this. I'll have a look, open trade here. So my thing is all in now, which is great. So what I'm going to be looking for is this top wick, and then we go. So I think this is a really good opportunity here. Sell stop. As long as you don't exceed the previous current candle, which is obviously over here, that's fine. So at the moment it's at 10 pips, so if it goes any further, Okay, look at the hourly. Okay. We'll have to see here. Obviously, as I said before, the wicks were quite volatile in here. But if we do start coming back down, that should be fine. But my stop is still going to be 10 pips. And we'll have to see here. But it looks like we are really rejecting it. This is why it's so delicate here. But if we do start exceeding and flipping here, we should be good. This could be just a wick up. But if in 11 minutes time we get a closure back in this zone, or a bullish closure, I'll be taking this sell stop off, okay? Why not entering on the flip? I basically am. It's just more kind of support that we're going to go down when it's seeing these lows. It's because it's such a delicate zone here. And wow, we are pushing up. Look at that.
Ooh.
So the hourly's flip back. You can see now that this is a clear hourly support right here. Wow, well, it's good that no one got in there. That's what I said, the top wick. So if you look at my new YouTube video, guys, I literally explain this, and this literally helps with fake outs. Some people, when we exceeded this lower the previous one, would have been balls deep in this, and then they would have had their stop loss either at 10 pips or all the way over here, and they'll be in some serious drawdown right now. Whereas I said, and the reason why I call it the secret sauce in the video because I just like the word. The reason why I like my secret sauce is because the top wick, when it's formed, also means that I don't get faked out. I literally go through an example, so you can see here, people in this trade, they might be taking the same trade as me in a few minutes time, but they're taking all this bloody drawdown. And as I said before, the best trade to be in is a trade with no drawdown. So for me, this is the perfect setup if we do start flipping here. I kind of wanted the top wick to be like here. It's a bit higher up, but we'll see. And in 10 minutes time, if this closes bullish, then I'm going to be taking off these sell stops, and this is going to be known as a support and a bit of a fake out if we close back in this range. So this is one example where I've literally reduced the fake out. I go through it in the video right here. I'll try and show you it. So yeah, so at the weekend, guys, if you're just like chilling, not doing much, genuinely go on this video and look. This is a fake out one. I literally talk about it here. You know, candle close above, so we've got a candle close below. This one hasn't exceeded, but you know, if it started to flick up straight away, some people would be in this, and I'm not yet because we haven't made the lower wick, which is here, and we hadn't flipped it. When this candle flipped here, I would have been in it, and this is what I go through right here. I think I did it. 1 second. I think I drew it out as well. Maybe further along. But yeah, it's a 30-minute video, but it really will help with entries and stuff like that. Literally explained all of it. Yeah, look, I drew it here. So I said if this candle here flips like this, I'm going to be in it, but it never flipped. So therefore, I reduced I got out of a fake out without even being in the trade, which is great. Let's have a look here. Yeah, paying attention to this. Love your work, thanks. No bother. We've nearly hit 500 subscribers. If someone here hasn't subscribed yet, make sure to subscribe. We're gonna hit 500 subscribers. That'll be amazing. I will watch that after work. I've been getting faked out. Yeah, bro, watch the video. It's 30 minutes long, but just bring a pen and paper. You know, people pay fucking 50 quid, 100 quid for those shitty webinars. Just look at that for free, bro. 30 likes in the chat, guys. Try and get a 40, guys. 40 likes in the chat. That'd be amazing. And yeah, we're just chilling here. Let's have a look at some other pairs because you haven't actually paid attention to some others. Gold still, has it been ranging on this bit? Yeah, it has. Look at that. What the fuck? It's been sitting at the same point for ages. Damn. Yeah, get them likes up, squad. Wow, I'm loving the stream. Let's have a look at OBS. It's looking fire now. Yeah, so the thing, 46 viewers, bro. I think we hit 50 today. That's amazing. But yeah, we're here every single day for London, so make sure to tell your friends, all that good stuff. Discord is going to be ready soon. Actually, let's see if the Discord worked today. I need to check. Let me check this. I hope fucking Carl said something. Carl! Yes! He did it! Oh, fuck yeah. Okay, right. I can actually start doing Discord now. Great. Okay, finally made him work it. GA was a much better trade. Let's have a look at GA then. GA, I see a lot of moves. I know, who's he called? FX Sean Dogs or something. He's really good. Oh, let me just see this zoom. So Imran said, "Morning, gents. Hope you're keeping well." And wait, oh, were you perhaps undone stream yesterday? That's why I'm going full risk on gold and taking the full 27 pip loss. I feel like overall you kind of have to take 2 or 3 wins or to break. Oh, like control effects style, yeah. What's it doing here? Oh yeah, GA. Let's have a look at GA then, guys. I like GA because, as I said before, GA is, you know, Great Britain against the Aussie. The Aussie should be like nearly closing now. Wow. Okay. So whoever said this was clean is very correct. So what can we do here? I'll just do the analysis like we always do, just to get into the habit of doing it. Let me just check where my sell stop is. We got a subscriber. Welcome, currency pair. Thank you for subscribing. You are the 500th subscriber. Congrats. Oh shit. I'm just looking at GJ on my MetaTrader. Yeah, we're still chilling. So let's just do our analysis here. If you guys are new to the stream, this is how I do the analysis here. So daily time frame. This is the flip right here. Nice. Keep that yellow. 4 hourly. Right here. Nice. So now we can see that it is bullish. Great. Now how could we have got into these trades? Well, let's have a look here. We can see clearly we have an hourly resistance right here. Oh my god, this was clean. Holy shit. This was very clean. Oh, bro, that was nice. So 30 minutes. Okay. So 30 minutes looks a bit rough. So the hourly looks cleaner. 30 minutes looks a bit rough, so let's just move this. This is the resistance right here. Because the reason why I pointed out is this resistance is because these candles all here, 1 second. These candles could not close above. Okay, and then here closes resistance as well. So this is the resistance zone here. This candle is the key candle. This candle at 7:30 closed above resistance. Then the 8 o'clock made its low wick and then started continuing. This is amazing. So when this candle maybe made its low wick here and started flipping, that is a really good move. And whoa, 20 pips as well, bro. GA's fire. Let's have a look at GA. Ooh, okay. GA is good for Asian as well. Let's have a look. Here, 130, close above. How big is this? So stop loss would have been, ooh, well, still 20 pips though. Okay, here, 7 o'clock, close above. 7:30, rinse up, trade there. GA doesn't look too bad, I'm not gonna lie. GA, if you guys are new to trading, GA looks pretty nice. Damn. GJ flip coming. I don't know about that. So GJ is gonna close in 4 minutes time. So at this point, guys, I'm going to be taking off my sell stop. I think. Let's have a look. The reason why I'm not. What were you saying, Anthony?
Oh, no, I was gonna say I was thinking if the 15-minute closes bullish, and it then breaks the lows at the 15, that's gonna be a 15-minute celery play, while you're still getting the same setup on the 30-minute.
Yep, that's a good point. The reason why I want to close it is because the celery play would work quite nicely, to be honest. And we've closed. Let's look at the hourly again.
Yeah, the 30-minute will be flipping as well, so it kind of be the same setup that we're looking for.
Yeah. And I said I was doing it on the 30, so let's have a look at stops here. I'm actually getting the flip of the candle then here, just to save me 2 pips, so it can have. Oh fuck. Right. Oh shit, we're coming down. I'm actually gonna move it to the flip of the candle here, just to give me a better stop, I think. So if I enter a trade right here, I've got a sell stop actually at this flip right here. To give me a tighter stop. I don't know if I like this, to be honest, because the let's have a look in 3 minutes time. I'm gonna delete it. I'm not happy with that. I'm waiting for this 50-minute to close. Because I know if this 15-minute starts to flip bearish, I don't know. I'm just gonna wait. I want to wait. I'm not happy with it. I'm just not confident in it at the moment. I want to see how this 50-minute closes. I just think it's quite volatile in the zone, and I think it would tap me like here and then just runs back up. I'm not taking a stupid trade on Friday. I'm gonna be waiting here. It's really key on this 50-minute closes, but the good thing is that this candle has closed below this support here. So, you know, if this candle here closed solid back in this zone here, then I would have been hell no out of that trade, because that is a complete fake out. But because price has closed under this, that is quite good. Well, I still got 2 minutes left, to be honest, but if it just closed above here, then yeah, there's no trade for me at all. 33 likes in the chat, amazing stuff, guys. We're going to be hitting 40 today for sure. Well, so whoever said GA much better, yeah, it is actually. I might do GA in the morning as well, just like mark up the charts for people, because that's fire.
Max,
yeah,
I did want to comment on his question. He said if I was on Don streams yesterday, the reason, like, so when I took a 27 pip stop loss, I don't go in full risk like I would on a 10 pip stop loss. So therefore I manage my risk to lose the same amount that I would lose on 10 pips. Yeah. So therefore I still don't need 2 or 3 wins to make back the loss.
Yeah. That's facts.
I still only need 1 regular 10 pip win, and I'll be back. Yeah. At my Yeah,
that's true. You just half your lot. Just simple maths.
Yeah.
Easy. Facts. Thanks, bro. How many people do you have in here? Jeez. Wow, bro. So me and you in Zoom. Who else comes in Zoom? Because I'm not gonna lie, I'm thinking of later on doing a thing where people who want to talk to me and actually ask questions can like pay monthly or whatever. And maybe in the Discord I might do an NY session Discord where people can like pay for it and they can actually talk to me instead of like just that, because I feel people in Zoom, like obviously you're here all the time and stuff and asking loads of stuff. I think a lot of people in Zoom take it for granted, where people who actually really want to ask loads of questions could actually ask me them, and they're just not doing that. So
they're not taking advantage of it.
Yeah, I think
like I trade full time. Like I trade from 2:30 a.m. my time to like 4:30, like to the end of this stream, and then at 6:30 a.m. I have a stream as well from like 6:30 to like 10.
Yeah.
On my Discord.
That's pretty fire.
Yeah.
I'm glad that Discord worked. Fuck yeah. Finally fixed it. I'm well happy with that. 36 likes in the stream. Sheesh, 4 to 40. If we do exceed these lows here and flip this candle, this could be a good opportunity. I'm not gonna lie.
15-minute salary play.
Yeah. Sure. Oh, kind of want to make it top wick first, to be honest.
I wouldn't mind it because the 30-minute already has a top wick.
Yeah.
So I kind of like.
If we go down here. Let's have a look. Open calculator. So stops. I just don't know where I'd put my stops, and I can't get 10 pips anywhere. So for me, I'm gonna leave this. I'm gonna leave it, because if I took it, I'd be annoyed. Because for me, unless this 15-minute makes top wick, because if I get into a trade here, right, for price to come down, yeah, the 30 minutes got a top wick or whatever, but I know 85% of candles make a top wick. If this candle pushes down without a top wick, I know I'm gonna lose this trade. I'll either know that I'm gonna be in 8 pips drawdown, 85% chance. You know what I mean? So for me, there is no trade, because I know that the top wick needs to be formed first. That's something that I've really drilled in to me. Obviously, sometimes it doesn't happen, like here it didn't. But for me, no, I need it, because if I take that losing trade, I'm gonna be pissed off. Like, fuck's sake, I knew he was gonna make that top wick, and it would be annoying. The trades I want to take now are good trades. I don't. If I take a losing trade, but everything was to the T and it's just luck, then I'll take that every day. But if I've done something wrong and I know I've done something wrong, it's pissed me off. So that's why I don't do it. Oh, so GA, if this flips right now, let's look at this 15-minute. Oh, 15-minute goes bearish though. 12 minutes left though. Exceeds the high here. Where's it gonna come up to? So let's look left here. Oh shit, why are we so fucking high, bro? What's happening in Australia?
15-minute created top wick.
The fuck? Oh, has it? Okay.
Tiny top wick.
Yeah. To be fair, it looks like it's
there you go. Let's push it.
Holy shit. Okay. What the fuck was that?
Damn.
Damn! Imagine just taking a buy there and getting like 100 pips in like fucking 15 seconds. Holy shit. Wait, is that 100 pips? Wait. No, I don't think it is. I think that's 1,000 pips. That must be like a glitch or something.
Damn.
Talk about not being emotionally intelligent. Wait, what do you mean? Would you be wary if the 15-minute had no top wick? Yes, I would be very, very wary.
I think you got 10 pips. A 10 pip stop on the 15-minute selling play.
Yeah,
lows. Yeah, it's pretty decent.
Yeah, okay. I'm actually happy to take that then. The stuff also be here. Breaking of the lows right here. Let's have a look at where's my magic keys, boy. Bitch, where's my magic keys? There we go. Market execution. Not market execution. So 204 like here.
Me personally, I think I'm gonna take the 30-minute current candle stops, and then I'm gonna use the 15-minute like as a way to manage my risk.
Yeah. For sure. Yeah, got that in now.
Obviously, I'll be in a half risk because it's 20 pip stops.
Yeah, that's fair. Yeah, so guys, if this breaks the low, I've got a sell stop back here. just around the zone. The salary play I'm looking for here, coming down 5 minutes, going to be breaking these lows right here. I may move it a bit lower actually. Oh yeah, it's at 185, that's fine. And with momentum, we should be coming down here. Made a top wick, so my stop loss as well, guys. So if I get into this trade here, if we do like start exceeding here, my stop loss is going to be here. I don't think we should be flipping and exceeding the highs. TP down at this point, 20 pips away. GA was much better. Lockdowns, would you? Oh, lockdowns. Very interesting. 36 like, guys. If you haven't liked or subscribed yet, make sure you do. Spam that like button. Spam that like button. I want to get a like this stream gif. That'll be pretty fucking fire. So how many views have I had this week? Let's have a check this here. But yeah, make sure you check out that video. I know it's a long video, but like when you got time, bro, just check it. So nearly 2,000 views. That's not too bad. That's not too bad. And not too shabby. And a lot of watch time. So look at this. Oof, we're coming up now. So I'm gonna be doing my sell stops here. I just think we are really holding this level. Really holding it. So
we are holding that level.
Yeah. So you can see gold is starting to make that little resistance here. Ooh, the 4 hourly still got 2 hours left though. But yes, I'm actually going to be doing an alert here, so I am alerting myself. If we cross this line, bro, I'm in buys. Hell yeah. 1795. Okay. Nice. Nice. 37 likes in the stream. Amazing. Talk about not being emoji. Wow, chat's big today. We talking a lot. We talking, jeez. But yeah, we're reacting off that level here. Wow. Let's have a look at GA here. We reacted off. Ooh. Oh. Okay. Okay. We called out these GAs. Damn. The fuck, Antonio? Someone just fucking beeped outside.
Yeah,
Hell
someone
yeah.
just beeped outside. Shit.
Right. So yeah, this is nice. 30-minute closed. The hourly's gonna close. Fuck. If this was my pair, this is gonna be looking good. Flipping that. It's got 7 minutes left though, so you probably wait for this 30-minute to close, because in 7 minutes, the reason why I don't like this 7 minutes is because what you're thinking, if you're looking for buys, if this candle flips right here, you're basically saying that in 7 minutes it's gonna do something like this. If you're looking for like this trade to be the candle trade, and it's probably not going to do that now because it's only got 7 minutes left. If it had maybe 12 or 13 or 14 minutes left, then this is reasonable for it to come up and then start to push. For sure. But yeah, guys, make sure you show me some charts here. We've got 11, so average watch times at like 12 minutes. That's not too bad at all, actually. Pretty fire. Oh god, is this coffee gonna be cold like usual? Is there gonna be news next week? Let's have a look. So 23rd we start. GVP, manufacturing PMI, nothing really changes with that. USD, so GDP, unemployment claims, this is good, this is good. Core, Fed Powell talks. Oh, so nothing, not too bad. 26th will be a nice day though. GDP and unemployment claims are quite nice. Oh my god, GJ. What are you doing, bro? 6 minutes left. Not enough time for me, I don't think. Maybe. Dude, look at that 5 minute. Oh my god. Okay, this is quite actually. I actually might go for this, to be honest, because if that 5 minute is rejecting that zone pretty hard. Oh my god. Holy lord. Oh my god, and they just took a fucking buy there, holy shit.
I still got my stops in, or my sell stops in for the 15-minute salary play, even though it's 18 pip stops. But yeah, that's just my plan.
Yeah, that's fair. That's fair. So 360 here. Oof, yeah. Stop loss is gonna be rough. Let's have a look at the 5-minute here. 5 minutes left. Is that enough time for it to run, boy? So 5 minutes left for this candle to close right here. It's still respecting the support right here on the 5-minute. We'll have to see. We'll have to see. But look at that. So this 30 minutes pulled all the way back up, and it's like nope. It's like nope. Hell no. We'll have to see. We'll have to see. It's been very, very. Look at this though. Like, oh, it's just. It's like, bro, I don't know where to go, boy. I've got multiple accounts. Wondering if you know any good copy trader software. What do you mean? Oh, like copy trader. No, I don't actually. To be honest, I'm not gonna lie, I don't.
I would say like a good platform, social trader tools.
Social trader tools. There you go.
Yeah, it's good for like copying trades from account to account.
Oh, that's sick. So you just have like more than one and it just copies it. That's pretty fire.
Yeah.
Just fun and talent let you do that. Because I have to like fucking manage it myself. I wonder if you can.
You said with funding talent?
Yeah, like can I link my IC market?
Oh nah.
That's annoying.
You could trade on your funding talent account and have it send the trades to your IC markets. But you can't send trades to funding talent. Like they'll disable your account.
Oh shit.
Because like they have like a
policy
like rule against that.
Yeah.
Because you know how people for like FTMO used to like that was going around. People were like paying for like to copy trades to their funding accounts and stuff like that. Yeah.
Yeah. Fuck. Oh, it's so close to breaking these lows here.
Yeah.
It's gonna close in 3 minutes time. It's really delicate area. Can you see? We come there. Ooh, delicate, bro. That shit delicate.
Leave my sell stops and just wait for a 30-minute closure.
Yeah.
In 2 minutes.
Yep. That's a good idea. Because if this closes bullish, maybe exceeding the lows could be an idea. FX Blue is good. Ooh, look at that wick up, bro. Fuck. Damn. GU's choppy as hell. Holy shit. The 50-minute. Oh, 50 minutes rough. Yeah, see with GU, this is why it's struggling here, guys, because we're hitting some pretty key zones. Yeah, pretty key zones here. So still no trades, but you can see, guys, you know, I'm not tempted to take any trades if I don't need to. You know, some days you just don't have to take any because there's no setup. Don't lose all your money on the days where there's no setups. Just wait until you can do the days, because as I said before, you'll do a day where there's no trades and you just try and take loads of trades. You lose half your account and then the next day's perfect. Or the next week's perfect. You're like, well, that was fucking useless, wasn't it?
The good old days.
Just took a loss. What do you think? The good old days. Fucking awful days they were. Make sure you like the stream, guys. Let's get it at 40 likes. We're so close. Let's beat yesterday's, which is 42, I think it is. Try and get to 45 or 50. Get 50 bomb. That'd be sick. I wonder how much it helps on YouTube to do that. I'll have to see. Let's do this here. Oh shit. Let's get this line off. So let's have a look.
4 more people like the stream.
Yeah, 4 more leaks. 4 more people like that shit. Jeez.
Get to 43. Everybody like it.
I'll go my other YouTube channel and like it.
3 more people. 3
more people. Shit. Okay, so this is Euro NZD 15-minute. I know a lot of people trade Euro NZD actually. 30-minute broke above. Yep, and closed at a top wick of resistance. Wick new highs since December 2020. Took entry when price retraced on the 15-minute. Risk 1%. Got to start out. Maybe stop was too tight. Might give a trade a second chance. So you entered, took entry when price retraced on on the 15-minute retrace. You mean when price flipped? So do you mean like this? Did you enter? Let's try and do black so you'll see it. Did you wait for this candle to close, wait for this to make a lower wick, and then flip? Is that what you mean? Or do you mean when price retraced? Or just when price just pulled back a bit, you just took a random buy? Tell me. Because if this exceeded the high, that would have been a good trade with stop loss below the stop loss, the current low on this candle here. When it came back down trying to get a better price, yeah, that's so. Unfortunately, you know, obviously you want to try and get a better price for like a better stop and stuff, but unfortunately, you know, that is the key, because you can get faked out, and as you've seen, you have been faked out here. But to make it really, really, really easy to take these trades, you could have either waited until it exceeded the high, which is here, and your stop loss still wouldn't have made that much difference. Even though you got in here, you might have saved maybe what, like 2 pips, or 3 pips. It's worth taking that. Or you could have waited for this candle to make its low, and then if it starts wicking and flicking up and turning bullish, then you know you could have taken a trade there. But yeah, try and get out of that thing of trying to get a better entry here, because this is really, really key. And a lot of people can get faked out trying to get in a bit lower. Just wait until you get a clear break, which you have, and exceeding the highs at the end of towards like half of the end of this candle, and that should have been the trade. But good idea, good attempt though, good zones though. You made a nice resistance zone here, breaking above, great. So congrats, good. Lovely stuff here, guys. Let's have a look. Let's keep on having a look. Let's have a look at gold. Gold's still chilling. But as I said here, buys above here for NY. I'm going to be having a look at that, because this daily time frame. Let's have a look at the daily. Ooh, if we break above here, we'll be leaving this zone, and this is a very key zone. If we look here, we have resistance at this point right here. If we do start getting a break above, and even a close for tonight, next week's going to be really good for buys to then continue back up to fill this range. Okay, so that's what I see on gold right here. But as I said, yeah.
I'm sorry to cut you off, but what do you think about the 1 hour flipping on GJ? Well, if it does flip using current candle stops.
Oof.
Closure below.
Oh yes. If this candle makes this low top wick like here, it's only 9 pips away. Let's look at this day. Ooh. Thing is, this is choppy. I don't like this crap. But I mean, it's a good. Nah, I'd still wait for down here. You can see how many times we've tapped this zone here. You can see we've got a minor support on this 5 minute. I mean, if it does flip, then yeah, it could be a good idea. I'm saying it is a very, very good idea, and a good like risk to reward and shit. Like if you get in here and this is the high, 10 pips, yeah, like a 25 pip gain, not too bad. But it depends how big this wicks up, to be honest. But yeah, I can see that hourly play. So we still close bearish in the hourly, so it is good. Let's look here. Yeah, 30-minute close bullish though, unfortunately. So 50-minute we've had a doji and 2 bullishes at the moment. Not preferably for me, but I can see how people could try and get that. Lovely. But yeah, so you took, how many trades did we take today? This week, sorry. This week I think I probably took like 5 or 6 trades on session. 1 loss, so not too bad, not too bad. And this is only 1 session as well.
It's been decent. It's been decent this week. Last week was shit.
Yeah, last day was garbage.
Was straight shit.
Last week was hell. Wow, solid 30-minute closure here. We are on support though. So for sells below, for gold, look, can you see how big this support line is? Oh, bro. If you do get a closure below here, sells may come into play, and you'll be able to get them back down to this zone here. So how big is this zone? Yeah, 20 pips, 27 pips, and then further down here for 50 pips. That could be a nice move for gold. But the only issue is, what am I gonna say? What am I gonna say? Which I keep on saying. Someone do it. I can point it out. So even if you're looking for sells here, what is the one factor? You can see it on this chart. Someone in YouTube tell me. Let's see if you guys actually listen. So if I'm looking for sells here, this is going to be good, you know, nice zones. But what's the one thing that might put me off sells? You can see it on this chart somewhere. There's nothing about this. It's just certain lines, maybe. Maybe I'll point to it. What does this line show again? So the range is too tight? No, it's 20 pips, not too bad. I've pointed to the line. What does this line mean? If people are new here, they might find it hard. The daily is bullish. Yes. Love that. Love candles. That's a great one. You can get a shiny star for that. Fuck yeah. So the reason why we don't want sells, or sells could be a bit risky, is because the daily is bullish. And this is done by the yellow line. So if you guys are new here, that's how I mark up my chart. And it means that I don't have to look at the daily and the 4 hour. So for example, if price comes down and we're looking for sells here, this blue line is the 4 hour flip. So basically, if price is below this line, the 4 hour is bearish. This is the daily flip. Okay, so at the moment, if price is above this line, the daily is bullish. I want the two time frames to be in sync with each other and going the right way. And you can see here we're acting on support nicely. So you can see here now we've just crossed this blue line. If I go to the 4 hour and the daily, what are we going to find out? Well, we're going to see that the 4 hour is just flipped bullish and the daily is bullish. So it means that I can stay on the smaller time frames but also know where the higher time frames are. Only two little lines every single day, and it makes it simple, makes it clean, and I know the daily's bullish and I know the 4 hour is literally just flipping from side to side. What I expect here, ooh, this is looking good for buys, I'm not gonna lie. Obviously we know what time is it now. Fucking hell, how far are we doing this trade for? Oh, it's 10 past 9. So we know kind of volume starts to die down here. But if this is starting to be NY, okay, what I can kind of see here is this is making support. If we get a closure like this, make its lower wick, start exceeding, that'd be nice. And this, you know, if this is like at 130, oh my god, I'd probably get in like this. How big will stop there? Yep, that's a 10 pip stop as well. Nice. And if it does exceed the low of the low it's just made there, I'll take off maybe 50%. TP would be here, which is, you know, a nice 30 pips, and then to extend up to here, maybe. Could be nice. And this would be for a NY session. The reason why I'm not interested in this for London is because the volume is not there. I'll only be interested in buys for London for gold above 17.95 because I know that's breaking it, and that's probably going to be news and like a lot of volume. And so breaking the highs of the I think that's the weekly highs, is it? Let's have a look. No, it's not. But anyway, that's why I want to look for London. But you know, if NY happened there and took place and this was the 130 candle and closed solid, then I'll be looking for buys because of the volume. 40 likes, you finally hit that 40 bomb. If you guys haven't liked the stream yet, make sure you do. And have you guys subscribed yet? So let's have a look at subscriptions here on YouTube. We are so close to 500, and we might have just done it by that. 501 subscribers, amazing. But yeah guys, check out this video as well, as I've said before. It's a little blooper at the end of me trying to fucking film. Wait. This is for the... I might do that actually, like little bloopers at the end for people who stay to the end. That's me trying to... Oh fuck, the Wi-Fi. The Wi-Fi is garbage, bro. Why is this fucking laggy, bro? Get this fucking off. It's because I'm streaming as well, this Wi-Fi, bro.
I think it's because you're streaming.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I fucking...
That's how it does when you're streaming.
Yeah, bro, shit legs, bro. It's because I'm not on... I'm actually on... not even on Ethernet at the moment because I'm with my girlfriend's. But at home I'll get that shit Ethernet. Oh, I've just downloaded Warzone. I'm gonna try that shit out, man. I've been playing too much CS:GO recently. I'm gonna try and change.
You play on PC?
Yeah, bro. I used to be console, but this year I just got a PC, and yeah, I've been playing a lot of CS:GO. My mate who plays it from school, he's fucking good at it though. Like he's like world rank, and I play with him, and he fucking bums like holy shit. He's like just click on the heads. I'm like, bro, I'm trying. But I tell you what, if you guys PC game, right, the one thing you need to do is get a fucking good monitor, man. I had a shitty 60 frames 1080p monitor, and it was garbage. Now I've got a 165 hertz 140p. It's just so much better. The frames are just so much better. It's beautiful.
Yeah, I bet.
Yeah, I do. I like the PC game, it's pretty good. But I also liked console as well, bro. I was a console, like, when I was younger, bro, like, through, like, summer holidays and shit, all I did was just bash Black Ops 2. Like, holy fucking shit. Black Ops 2, Black Ops 1, Zombies. I'd play, like, fucking 7 hours straight. I'd be sweating my balls off. And then, like, I played Destiny quite a lot as well. Played Destiny, like, oh, bro, I was into them, like, fuck yeah. FIFA, I used to play a shitload of FIFA, and to be fair, I should have gone on Twitch.
I was just about to say.
Yeah, I should have gone on Twitch, bro, because I raged, man. I was one of them kids who like smashed like 5 controllers in a year, like, bro. Oh shit. Internet connection is unstable. Oof. Oof. Are you guys still here? Oh yeah. Yeah, like, bro.
Yeah, you were cutting out a little bit just now.
Yeah. The Wi-Fi going a bit oof. Let me just take some off the Wi-Fi here. Laughing out, Destiny 2 was good. Haven't played that in years though. Nah, Destiny 2. I didn't play Destiny 2. Destiny 1 was the fucking G. Bro, Destiny 1, right? You'd go on these. Wait, Destiny 1. Destiny 1. It's called like the Gala Horn, I think I was trying to. This fucking rocket launcher everyone wanted for ages. And you'd have to do this like same thing, but there's you had to do this like quest, right? Let's see the image of this fucking sexy boy. Yeah, this fucking thing. You'd have to do this like quest, and it'd literally be like fucking 5 hours of your day because it would take so long because it was so fucking hard. And then you only had a certain percentage chance you'd get it. Like some people in the group would get it. You do it like with all your mates and shit. So I'll be there literally fucking bashing it for 4 hours, and then sometimes you might not even get it. You're like, oh my god, like, bro. Yeah, Destiny was a bashed game. Destiny was fire though, like, and you can like upgrade your character and shit. I remember that rocket launcher. And what was like the fucking pistol as well? I really like the pistol. I forgot what it's called. Good time, mate. Destiny 2 is fire. The fuck? The fuck is happening? Something's like fucking. Oh, I'm back to normal now. Nice. So yeah, GJ's being a bit of a bitch right now. But we still haven't been wicked out or faked out, whatever. This hourly is coming down now. Okay. So how would you, if you did the hourly play here? 17 pips.
Yeah, 17 pips. I'm looking at it. I don't know.
4 hour.
I just feel like DJ's been struggling so much at this level.
Yeah, bro. Like, I just think it's a tricky area. I mean, we are like below these areas now, though, which is good. Yeah, I'll give it like this 50-minute candle's closing a bit oof as well. Yeah, for me, there's nothing there. Ooh, gold's starting to come down. Yeah, just in this really big consolidation area here. But not too bad, So it looks like there's gonna be no trades today on stream, but that's completely fine. For NY, I'll be looking for sells probably on GJ as well. I'm gonna wait 60 more minutes for this 30-minute candle. At this point, this 4 hours still hasn't had the top wick though, boy.
Yeah.
You know, it's just a bit like oof. Just in 46 minutes, this really could close back up in this range. I swear to God, if it does that, holy shit. Yeah, it's daily.
I mean, if you look to the left, there is clean traffic on the 1 hour time frame, but if you look at the small time frames, it's just so shitty.
Yeah, let's have a look. Yeah, it's like, clean in the hourly. Yeah. To come
down, but you got like support created in the 30 minutes.
Yeah.
15 minute.
Yeah, boy.
Yeah, you have to be cautious of those. Plus the 4 hour with no top wick. It's a lot of red flags.
Yeah, there's a lot of red flags here, for sure. GBP AUD was the trade though. It's at 7 o'clock. 8 o'clock, sorry. 8 o'clock would have been nice here. I would have the stop loss of below the current it's just made, and then we start flipping. Damn! That'd have been nice, bro. That would have been fire. But yeah, overall this week's been great. I mean, streams are growing really, really nicely. So if you look, like, I think we're averaging like nearly 300 now, 300 views per one. Like, that's some people like now, like some of the streams barely get any views. Like, so yesterday 310, 279, 279, 289. Not too bad, not too bad. But if you do, like, let's see how many like live streams are on. Like, I'm not gonna smack any of them because they probably provide loads of value. But what's it? Not live stream, trading. Forex. So Forex live stream. I hope mine comes in close. Oh, mine's only here. That's not bad at all. Fuck. I know Luke trades London. He's a good G. Fuck, man. Mine's there. That's not bad at all. 290. Let's have a look at this one. Jeez. I like how people like set their stuff out. Like, I like looking at people's like how they charts look at. Oh, this guy doesn't speak. The fuck? How that guy can get like fucking 240 views? He doesn't even speak. To be fair, some people don't want that, you know. That's actually quite a good idea, you know. Like, some guys just don't, like, some guys just want to just vibe on the charts, like smoke a doob and just fucking like press buy and sell when this guy does. That's pretty decent. Luke Chase London. Let's see it. Let's see his. He's a good lad, isn't he? Yeah, he's a good lad. He's a good lad. Oh yeah. Go check his stream out, guys. Yeah, so look, daily resistance there. Nice, nice, nice. I'm looking for buys above here. Good lad. Yeah, check this guy out. I need to get my Magic Keys link as well. I fucking messaged Raja, like, Raja, can you hurry the fuck up with this? He's like, yeah, bro, we busy as fuck right now. I'm like, yeah, well, fucking send me the link, because I'm getting messages every day. Oh, do you have a Magic Keys code? I'm like, I fucking wish.
Hey, people are saying the stream is frozen.
Oh, shit, yeah.
Yeah, it's frozen.
Oh, shit. The Wi-Fi fucking down bad, bro. How can I take this off? 1 second. I'll try and where's my iPad somewhere? Still? Is it still frozen?
Your camera's frozen. I'm looking at it right now. Wait, move your mouse around the screen. Like, try to move the charts. Oh yeah, I can see your charts moving. Just your camera's frozen.
Oh fuck. Oh yeah, I think it's I think it actually. I heard it like come out. What the fuck? What the fuck? Where the fuck is this camera, bro? Maybe I've pulled out because I'm a fucking retard. Oh yeah, I can hear it. I can hear this noise. Ah, it's here. Let me just do this again. There we go. See if this fucking works a bit better. Right, is the camera back? It should be back now.
Let me see.
Is it working? Only you. Only you. Oh yeah, it looks like it's let's have a look at OBS here. Oh yeah, it's frozen. What the fuck? Oh my god, wait, video capture. Wait, let me just change this. Oh yeah, it's working again now.
Yeah, it's working now.
Nice. Jeez. Thank God for that. I was like, what the fuck, is this camera just broke on me? Hell no.
Yo, whoever left a dislike, for real.
Ah, bro, that's good.
Man.
I like dislikes.
42.
I have a feeling I know who it is. I'm not gonna lie. But we'll not talk about that person because he is irrelevant. Right. Yeah.
People really come. Waste their time.
Bro, there's always gonna be haters. You know, you just have to get on with it. If it affects you, it affects you. But bro, I want more dislikes, bro.
Half of them aren't profitable.
Yeah, I know. It's just people who are pissed off. It's fair.
Yeah, people just being.
It's all good. I like a couple dislikes. If they gave me dislikes and told me what to work on, that would be great. I'd love that.
Yeah.
That'd be great. Let's just reply to the boy. Yeah, I've got so many requests to be in Zoom. Like, look at this, bro. Hi sir, can I come in your Zoom? Can I come in your Zoom? Like, bro, that's fucking. I've already got like, I literally like be leaving like half, like all my YouTube people will be on my fucking Zoom. So yeah, you can see, guys. Now we've got a 15-minute. We're going to be closing. We're in this range. If we do close back in here, then we are really respecting the support, and we'll be coming back up to fill up this range right now. For gold, yeah, we'll be waiting. We're gonna be waiting.
It's looking like NY session.
Yeah, for sure. As I said, I've got my notification up here, which is what I'll be looking for. Wow, 42 likes, guys. If you haven't given a like to the stream yet, make sure you do. Try and get 50 likes. 8 people, make sure you like the stream. If you've liked it, tell me in the chat. I'll give you a shout out. And yeah, guys, I hope you guys all subscribed as well. So for the Magic Keys giveaway, I'm going to be putting you guys all in the list and then just spinning like a wheel or some shit on like a virtual one and picking out. If I've already got Magic Keys, I'll probably find out because I'll just like look at their Instagram or something, and then I'll redo it and stuff like that. I'll redo it. Can you sell online versions? Because if I did online version, I could do loads of them. I could do like 10 of them. So I could just buy it for them, couldn't I?
I mean, you really could.
Yeah.
Why not?
Like and subscribe. Greetings from Singapore. Wow, I love Singapore. Fire. Singapore. Do you know Singapore? Wait, is this true? Let me actually do it before I actually say. My mum and dad, because they go quite a lot. Singapore. Is chewing gum illegal? I'm pretty sure it is, isn't it? Is chewing gum? Why the fuck am I typing? You guys tell me. Nigel, is chewing gum illegal in Singapore? Their streets are clean as fuck.
Illegal?
Yeah, like because because obviously it fucks the streets up. Like that. Singapore is clean, bro. Like same as Monaco. When I go to Monaco, streets are clean, bro. I don't know if it's illegal, but I think it's very frowned upon. Nigel, you tell me. Oh yes, yeah, look, it is. Because it keeps the streets, like Singapore streets are fucking sexy, like just keeps them nice.
It's fine to chew gum. That's wild.
Yeah, bro. Singapore is like a fucking huge like metropolis. It's fucking fire. I look at this shit.
So what, like they got like gum police or some shit?
Gum police. Like, look how fucking nice it is. I'm actually meant to be going this. Well, I was meant to go through COVID, but I haven't yet. I still haven't been yet. But also I'll be going to Dubai soon, which I fucking love. It's like my second town, man, bro. Fucking Dubai. When I was younger, bro, I was there every 4 weeks. I'd be in Dubai. Yeah, it was fucking sexy. There's one time we went skiing. We went skiing for a week, and obviously skiing. If you've been skiing, like holy shit, that shit's fucking hurts. Like you know, it's not really a holiday. It's like an exercise. And then after that, we went straight to fucking Dubai. It's fucking sexy, man. I fucking love it.
Yeah, that's dope.
And like Dubai, there's so much shit to do. Like it's just like the amount of like world records they have like for anything. It's just classic. I just fucking love it. I'm so used to it now. It's sexy. Took a short on GJ. Okay. Risk 1 to 2% because it was riskier IMO. Okay, let me have a look at this. So you took a trade on GJ. That's great. Let's have a look here. Okay, so you have taken a GJ sell, I think. This is the 50-minute time frame here. Enter when price tapped to 21 EMA. Price has been respecting the EMA, so trade seemed reasonable. Okay, that's fair. Stop at minor resistance level. Okay, yeah. Target zone near low set on July 20th. Okay, yeah, that's fine. Risk is 0.5%. Okay, great. So your stop loss is about 15 pips. You use the EMA, that's fine. Good stuff. What I'd say now is, you know, how are you going to manage risk here? If it exceeds the high of the previous 15, I'd take off, 50% because that's a bad thing. You know, with bullish candles here, with bearish candles, if you have a candle like this with a bearish structure, you want to be making higher highs. Oh, fuck off. Why is this not working? You're making higher highs and higher lows. Okay, so like this. So you want this candle here to not exceed the high of the previous and exceed the low, okay? So if you have a candle that does this, exceeds the high, this could be a change of structure and actually, you know, turn bullish. So when this happens, you should be taking off some risk at that point. That's how you manage risk. There's no point running fully to your stop loss when you can get out of it. H1, if we get a current candle flip, we could go lower. Let's go, let's go. Yeah, that's what we've been talking about.
If we had some volume.
If you had some fucking volume, but if you look, 5 minute, ooh. That shit ass. This is normally what happens though after a fucking big day, so like, you know, that's fine. What happened with Asian?
It's been a great week altogether.
Yeah, it's been a great week. So just take these days with a pinch of salt. If you didn't take any trades, I think a lot of people here who took trades would have got their asses clapped today. So I'm very happy I'm not one of them. Because if you entered on the 8 o'clock, I don't know how the fuck you'd do that. Maybe exceeding the low, you'd have got in here. You'd have been in 8 pips profit, and then yeah, fucking ass. So great. Very happy. So look, this is one of the examples here, guys, where impulses and, you know, this is 8 o'clock, this is 8:15, a lot of volume come in, you'd have even got in and exceeding the lows, be like, yeah bro, I am gonna get a fucking meaty candle and it's gonna look like this. And I'm like, yeah, okay, sometimes that does happen, like maybe once every month or 2 months, but most of the time it doesn't. So stop fucking trying to get it, because you're just gonna get your asses clapped. Because here, if you got in on this low, your stop loss probably above here. You might still even be in this trade, but you were at one point you were at minus 18.6 pips. Oof, that's a big ass clap. So, you know, wait for candles to close. We got a closure, but we never really exceeded it when we wanted it to, and now it's just been ranging. So amazing. This is what you should be applauding yourself for. If you haven't taken any trades yet, this should be amazing for you. You should be like, right, this is actually going somewhere. I'm actually not being a spastic and trying to take the stupidest trades. So 30 minute is going to close here. Apparently my Wi-Fi is getting bad again. Fuck off. 3 minutes time to close. It has no bottom wick, which is mad. But yeah, 44 likes, guys, amazing. So I'm actually going to head off here because we've done our analysis here. No really trades here, but later on, oh, look at this. This gold's flipped. It's exceeding these lows. That'll be nice for a closure.
Yeah.
But what will happen is at 11:30, come back to the charts, do exactly the same as what I did here, do the exact same setups, and just keep on repeating every day. So if you guys haven't liked the stream, make sure you like before you head off, and I hope you enjoyed it. We did lots of analysis here and breaking down how we couldn't have gotten GJ trades today, and that should be what you take away from today. So hope you guys enjoyed, and thank you Antonio for joining me, and I'll see you guys in the next ones. But make sure to like before you guys go, for sure.
Yeah, my guy.
Yeah, boy. So see you guys on Monday.
Take
yeah,
care, enjoy your weekend.
Yeah, boy. See you later, guys. Adios, amigos.